Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back. Get ready to share my passion for flavor. And what says flavor more than a big bowl of guacamole? This green goodness is a crowd pleaser, perfect for parties, game days, or just a tasty snack attack. The best part? It's crazy easy to make. We're talking just a few simple steps from avocado to awesome. Get ready to dive into a world of deliciousness with my quick and easy guacamole recipe. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Before we get our hands dirty, or should I say green, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, this list is short and sweet, just like this recipe. 3 ripe avocados. They should be firm, but yield to gentle pressure. Half a small red onion, finely chopped. We don't want any giant onion bites. 1 large tomato. Diced, go for juicy and ripe. 1 jalapeno pepper, finely chopped. Seeds removed for less heat. Keep them in if you like it spicy. 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro, the green goddess of flavor. 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice, about 1 lime, pucker up. And salt and pepper to taste, because everything needs a little seasoning love. Alright, guacamole gurus, let's get mashing. First things first, grab those ripe avocados and give them a gentle squeeze. Cut them in half lengthwise, twist to separate, and carefully remove the pit. Watch those fingers. Now, scoop that creamy avocado goodness into a medium-sized bowl. Using a fork, mash it up to your desired consistency. I like mine a little chunky, but you do you. Section 4. Spice. It right. Time to add some personality to our guac. Toss in the chopped red onion, diced tomato, and jalapeno. Remember, we removed the seeds from the jalapeno for a milder flavor, but feel free to add them back in if you're a heat seeker. Next up, sprinkle in that fragrant chopped cilantro. This herb adds a burst of freshness that takes our guacamole to the next level. Now, for a citrusy kick, squeeze in the lime juice. The lime juice not only adds a tangy twist, but also helps prevent the avocado from browning too quickly. Section 5. Guac on. Almost there, folks. Give everything a good stir, making sure all those delicious flavors mingle and get acquainted. Now, the moment of truth. Taste testing. Grab a chip or a spoon, no judgment here, and give it a try. Need a little something extra? Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it away, so start small and adjust as needed. And there you have it. A bowl of quick, easy, and absolutely irresistible guacamole. Serve it up with your favorite tortilla chips, spread it on toast, or grab a spoon and dig in. No matter how you enjoy it, this guacamole is guaranteed to be a crowd pleaser. Happy snacking!